Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some farmhouse style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse style home decor is all about comfort, warmth and a lived-in charm that feels inviting and timeless. It makes rustic simplicity with cozy details, often blending old and new elements. Here are some farmhouse style home decor ideas for you. Furniture and layout. Rustic wood pitches. Use reclaimed or weathered wood for dining tables, benches, and shelves. Slip-covered sofas and armchairs. Soft, cozy seating with neutral slip covers for a relaxed look. Open shelving. Display dishes, glass jars, and oven baskets instead of hiding everything in cabinets. Colors and textures. Neutral palette. Whites, creams, beige, and soft grays as the foundation. Warm accents. Muted greens, burnt reds, or navy blues for contrast. Layered textures. Mix linen, cotton, burlap, and chunky knit throws to add depth. Decorative touches. Galvanized metal accents, buckets, watering cans, or light fixtures to bring in farmhouse charm. Wicker and rattan baskets for the storage and natural warmth. Natural and greenery. Fresh and fox greenery, olive benches, eucalyptus, or wildflowers in mason jars. Indoor plants in clay pots. Simple greenery to soften wood and metal elements. Farmhouse details, barn doors, sliding wooden doors as a rustic statement pieces. Exposed beams add warmth and architectural interest to ceilings. Shiplap walls, whitewashed or natural wood panels for that farmhouse texture. Lighting, lantern style fixtures, hanging lanterns, hot iron candeliers, or sash pendant lights. Soft, warm glow. Use Edison bulbs or candles for cozy lighting. Mix old and new pitches. Pair a rustic wood coffee table with modern comfy seating. Distressed finishes. Use sanded or whitewashed furniture for that weathered look. Big farmhouse dining table. A long wooden table with mismatched chairs feels authentic. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.